Welcome to Owen's Megastore. I know why you're here. You're here to see the Klarstein Long electric fireplace get unboxed. And that's what we're gonna do. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. You know, because it's long. Comes with a very powerful heater around the back, has 2 temperature settings. You can also have the fire on display without having the heat if you want it on those hot summer days that you just don't want the heater. The flames itself is also dimmable, so you can turn it up lighter or put it down when you want a nice cozy dim mood to your house. To give you an idea here, there's a banana for size. It's a big one. This is for someone that's serious about electric fireplaces. This will make your wall look amazing. Let's just say that. I want one. I really do. The coals themselves are very realistically designed. Looks like real coal, looks even more real than actual coal. The heater itself has a timer which you can adjust with the remote, as well as the light settings and the temperature. If you don't have the remote and you want to get up from your comfy seat, there's also some controls around the back here. So without further ado, let me show you what it looks like with the lights off, just so you can get a nice, good idea of just how amazing this long fireplace is. And there you have it, the Klarstein Long electric fireplace. Enjoy.